This is a short video on how to identify a valid break of structure and invalid break of structure. Okay, this is a requested video by someone in my DM. He has been requesting this video a lot at time. So to find, a break of structure, a valid break of structure. Before then, let's go here. Let me show you what is a structure. So you can see this: the market move up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That is in an uptrend. Okay. So when you say a structure is basically a formation of objects with shape. Okay. Formation of an object with shape. That is what we call structure. Okay. So with a structure, all right. So you can see this is actually price pushing from here to the upside, pushing to the downside here, pushing from here to the upside, breaking this previous high. Okay. So if this thing happens, that is what we call break or structure. Okay, break or structure. Okay, price break this structure here. This is the high of price. Okay, this was the previous high created before price push down to create a low, and I'll push up to break this high here. Okay, so this high is what we call a break or structure. Okay, and if this thing happens, we say it's a valid break or structure. We just want to see price push up and the whole body of the candle crosses on cross above this previous high here. Okay, and you can see this is also a break or structure. That's a valid one, with the whole body of the candle crossing and closing above that price high. Okay, this is a break or structure. This area here is also a valid break or structure. Okay, yeah. All right, so anytime price push from a low to break its previous high with the whole body crossing above, that's what you call a valid break or structure. Okay, sometimes you see a wick spike up and then price drop. That is not a valid break or structure. All right, so let's look out for in a downtrend. So you have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so in a downtrend too, we see price breaking its previous low. This here is a break or structure. That is a valid break or structure. We have this area here is also another valid break or structure. Okay, why is it valid? Because we see the body of the candle push below and closing below this low here, crosses and then close below the low. You can see this side here to price push down, close below this low. Okay, so that is what we call a valid break or structure. So let's go to the charts and let me show you how to trade this and how to identify a valid BOS. Okay, so we're looking at the action of price right here. This area here can be considered as a valid BOS because you can see this is a valid break or structure. Why? Because we have the body of the candle close above this previous high. Okay, so this can be considered as a valid BOS, as a valid break or structure. Okay, so this side too can also be considered as a valid break or structure. Okay, this side. All right, the same thing for this area here. It's a valid break or structure. Why is it valid? Because we have the candle cross, it crosses and close above the previous high. Okay, it's markets in an uptrend, and we have the body of the candle close above the previous high. So that makes it a valid break or structure. Okay, so that is it to identify a valid break or structure. Let's go look out for a selling opportunity. So this is a buying opportunity that's in a market in an uptrend. Let's look out for a market in a downtrend. Okay, all right, so we have this pair right here, USD chef, and you can see this also is a valid break or structure. We have price pushing to a downside and now breaking this low here. Okay, this is a valid BOS, valid break or structure, and you have price pushing from here to the downside to breaking this low here. That is also a valid break or structure because the whole body close below the previous low. Okay, so this is a valid break or structure. So let's see the area where all right, I'm just trying to find an invalid break or structure. We're gonna see, this is a valid break or structure. This is a valid break or structure. This one here, right? The same thing happening here. Valid break or structure. All right, so if the whole body close above the previous low, that is what you call a valid break or structure. Okay, you might find the case whereby price will just, this is the previous high, and then price will just push down, spike a little, then they push down. Then it's a wake up, then push down. That is not valid. I'm trying to find example on that one and show you. All right, so example of invalid breakout structure is here. Okay, so you can see this one. This was the previous low of price. Price push a little to this area here, started pushing to the outside. Okay, so is this valid breakout structure? Let's see whether it's valid or not. We just want to see price, the whole body of the candle, close below the previous low. You can see the body hasn't closed. As you can see, this can be considered as a invalid breakout structure. This is invalid breakout structure because the low hasn't, the body of the candle was not able to be close below. So this is not a valid breakout structure. Okay, don't confuse yourself. This area here also is not a valid breakout structure. Let me show you. This area here is not a valid breakout structure because we had only the weak price. Now this area here too is not a valid breakout structure because we had price, created a new low, push up, came back. We are expecting price to break this low here and create a valid BOS back. You can see it was only the wave that created this low, right? So this is also not a valid breakout structure. So that is how to identify a valid and invalid BOS. All right, so subscribe to the channel and comment if you have any question. And I hope the guy who DM me about this, you understand. I'll see you in my next video.